If you want to select it, select, and then you can see a sequence setting. You can create a sequence setting from this icon. You can create a project shortcut, offline files. You can as you can adjust. You can see adjustment layer, bars and turn, black video, color matte. While you are using color matte is using for while you are editing, universal counting leader, transparent video. These are all the things are present in this small icon. You can create a sequence from this button, this icon. Now this is a new bin. If you want to create a new bin, you can click on it and look here. Here is a new bin. This is a video files bin. When you are created this, look at the video files and open it and close. Now close this bin, and this is for search bar, and you can find items in the project, and this is for automatic sequence. This button is for sort icons. If lot of icons you can sort from this. This button, small button, is for the adjust the size of the bin or adjust the size of the files, images. Icon is for icon view. If you want to icon view, this is the button, this is the tab where you want to see the icon view. Now what is this? This is for list view. If you want to put your images and your videos and your sounds in an list view, you can select this, and your all your all media is in the shape of the list view. Now these are the small tabs which are very useful for and very helpful while you are searching and while you are importing your files. Importing your medias are very useful for your media files and while you are selecting and while you are creating your sequence. These tabs are very helpful for you. And now this is a search bar. If you want to search anything, you can select from this and you can search anything you want to search. This is a media processor. You can see the local drives here, network drives. You can see file types displayed, how you can display your file, what are the types of your file. Look at this. This is in just second. If you want to and set your sequence from here, this look at this point and look at the general settings. If you want to set your sequence, you can set your sequence from here. It helps you to quickly create sequence and create things you want to create. This is a search bar allowing you to search for specific files based on their names, metadata, or any other relevant information. The project panel is in Adobe Premiere Pro is a comprehensive workspace that allows you to import, organize, preview, and access your media assets and project-related elements. It offers a range of features to help you efficiently manage and navigate through your projects, ensuring a smooth and streamlined editing workflow. So this is a project panel